It's not the pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. It isn't your sweet conversation that thrills their sensations. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. When you're in my arms and I feel you so close to me, no, no, my wildest dreams came true. I need no soul lights me to wish in me if you with only grant me the right to hold you ever so tight, and I feel you in the night. The nearness of you.